My name's Sue Grant from Berthon, and behind me is the Moody 45 Stella J. She is here at our Lymington HQ from the Caribbean. She was shipped to Southampton, and we've just tidied her up and she's available on the market. She is a recent yacht. Space planning is extraordinary. Very, very clever yacht, very high spec. Please do watch the video that follows and you'll see what I mean. Stella J is ashore with us at our yard in Lymington on the south coast in the UK, and so we're going to start on deck. Here she is, flexi teak deck. She's got stainless steel delta anchor and stainless steel chain. Anodized spar, which is very low maintenance, double spreader. She's got an underdeck furler for the Genoa, in-mast furling, all powered winches. She comes with Elvstrom sails, and she's also got North Code Zero, North Quantum Performance mainsail and jib. Very easy to handle with the self-tacker. Lovely, easy decks to work, lots of protection. This yacht is only 45 foot long and it's really hard to believe. We'll just go down the wide side deck and into the cockpit, which makes the perfect connection with the main saloon. She is designed by Dixon, of course. The interior is by Water Vision Interior Design, and she is one clever and practical yacht. Twin wheels, of course, bow and stern thrusters, controls for the Volvo, which is a D3107 at both helms. She's running on Ray Marine, and she has Axiom I-70s for the readouts. She also has Iridium Go, Starlink, and she's got an Evolution autopilot. You've got solar array here. That's 820 watts, and there's 440 on deck. And then you've got a retractable transom. There's also an electric retractable bimini, so this comes back to as you wish when you want to have less protection. Lovely teak table. You've got a fridge there and two deep lockers. The starboard one has a washer dryer. And now we're in this awesome deck saloon. It's all in American cherry and teak. Lovely doors opening out into the cockpit. Galley's got everything. She's got a double sink. She's got a freezer here. Lots of work surface. 3-burner gas oven. And you've also got a washing up machine, microwave, and also a plate, as you wish. She's got an inverter, of course, and she comes with a Fisher Panda 6.4 kilowatt. The Stella J is fully air conditioned, and she's also got Eberspacher heating. Lovely seating area, the storage under these two stools, and then this table folds over when you have lots of people for dinner. She's got Fusion Apollo for this area and out in the cockpit. Interior steering, again with the Ray Marine, and she's also got controls for the main engine here. Fantastic vision, and suddenly this 45-foot yacht has got a living area which is about half her size. So then it's even more clever. You go down below into the sleeping accommodation. And here is the owner's stateroom. I'm afraid that her sails are still on the bed. She's only just come into us and we finished cleaning her up. Storage under the berth. Lots of light and air here as you see the forward hatch opens. This is a really nice king-size double berth with its own heads compartment, with an electric loo and also a separated shower stall, which works really well. All in immaculate condition. She's been used in the Caribs sparingly and well loved. And then on this 45-foot yacht you've got 2 further sleeping cabins. Here is the heads compartment with shower that serves these 2. Manual loo in this heads compartment. And then on the starboard side we have an option which is a large VIP thwartships double. Loads of space, natural light from the port, wardrobe, and then a generous double berth cabin to port. The floors are of continental white oak, look very smart. And you have access to the engine room aft of the main saloon, just where Harry is stepping now. Now we'll go and have a look below. Okay, so here's Stella J with her stars and stripes blue painted hull. The graphics could be removed if you wished. They're not painted, but I think they're rather pretty. Here's her bow thruster. We're doing a little bit of work on that at the moment. It will retract beautifully. One of the things that's really excellent about the yacht is that she's got the shallow keel, which gives her a draft of only 5'3" with this bulb keel, which makes her really flexible for where you go cruising. It's just had a coat of anti-foul. Twin rudders, of course. These are semi-balanced, and she's got a flex fold propeller with prop speed, all of which is looking really good. Underwater lights, and you can also see her stern thruster. The dinghy can be retrieved and deployed using this arrangement at the stern, and it lives rolled up in the transom, and it's also got a torpedo electric outboard. So, Stella J, Moody 45, very special yacht from 2021.